And this video is for Golden ICEPURE. These are refrigerator ice and water filters. And these are great because you always want to make sure that you replace your filter for your water. I've got an LG fridge here, and it's got both the water and the ice inside. But I'm going to show you how to switch these out. Very easy to switch out. And let's pull this out and you can see what this looks like. But these filters take out a lot of impurities in your water, take out the chlorine taste, and a lot of other micron particles that need to be removed. But it comes with the little instructions, warning, and then it's actually sealed up really good as well, shrink wrapped. And so we're going to replace this. Let's get this off of here. So once we get it out of the shrink wrap and take this cap off, it is ready to install. It also comes with a little sheet of stickers, and so you can take off the sticker that you need just to mark it so you know when the last one was changed. And so let's change it now. On my fridge, it's in the upper left corner here. All I'm going to do is pull this down just like that. Pull this down. Yep, just like that, it pulls out. Okay, so there's the old one. Did I put a date on this one? No. But you can feel this one's a little bit heavier because there's water inside of it compared to this one. So now we'll just take this new one. Let's move this out of the way here. Take this new one, push it in, and lift up. And there you go. You are installed. Now, the best thing to do is to run some water through it into a cup. So now we want to run some water through that filter. Oh, getting some spurting, which will probably happen just because of air, but we want to run some water through that filter just to make sure it's nice and ready. I'll probably do this maybe 2 times, 2 cups. As you can see, it's a little bit dark, a little bit, has a little bit of charcoal in it. Looking a little better already. It's a little bit better. We've done that cycle a few times. Let's fill it up a cup or just do a taste test. Nice and clean, refreshing, filtered water. Oh yeah, that's great. So anyway, these water filters are great, especially when you want filtered water out of your fridge and remove some impurities and chlorine and different things like that. These are great. Can highly recommend for sure. Check them out.